How to make a PowerPoint presentation on iPhone or Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily make a PowerPoint presentation on your iPhone or Android. So let's get started. So for that, you will need a PowerPoint application. So make sure you have successfully downloaded it already. So for Android, you can easily get it on your Play Store, and for iPhone, you can get it on your App Store. So from over here, just open the PowerPoint presentation application. So now simply click on plus to first start creating your first PowerPoint slide. So you can also actually use any one of these templates which have been already provided over here. So let's say I want to use this template over here. So you can simply click on this and start editing based on your choice like this. So as you can see, now I'm able to editing it just like this. So you just have to double tap to add a subtitle or text caption just like this. So once you're satisfied, you can simply click on this tick button at the top left corner. So you can also add other slides just like this. So to add a new slide, you can simply tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner just like this. And as you can see, you can simply edit it accordingly. And once you are satisfied, you can simply click on done, and you can just click on this three dot icon to save or rehearse this presentation just like this. You can also actually click on this present to actually start presenting your slide just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.